Assalamu alaikum and very good day. My name is Dr. Javed Iqbal. In this video, I will discuss the contents of an effective research proposal for PhD and MS students. I hope this video would be useful for all those students who are planning to start their research. The following elements are crucial in a good research proposal. Each item aligned to a section in a research proposal template. Actually, I have prepared this video based on a research proposal template. Although every section of the proposal is very important, the first more important is the research title. It is very crucial to choose a reasonable title for your research proposal. Your title should include the main contribution and provides information about the focus of your research study. The title should not be very lengthy. The next section is the abstract or summary of the proposal. It should be approximately up to 250 words. Abstract summarizes the objectives, the expected originality, and the research methodology to be used. The next important section is the introduction. It should be up to 800 to 1000 words. The introduction leads the reader from a general subject area to a particular topic of inquiry. It establishes the scope, context, and significance of the research being conducted by summarizing current understanding and background information about the topic. Next, stating the purpose of the work in the form of the search problem supported by a hypothesis or a set of questions explaining briefly the methodological approach used to examine the search problem. Introduction highlights the potential outcome your study can reveal. The next section is literature review, a review of the state of the art, the current literature, current practice in the field of research. It should be approximately minimum 1000 words in the proposal. It review the state of the art, current literature, or practice in the topic of the proposed research with reference to the scholarly literature as appropriate. In the literature review, we include relevant and recent literature from prestigious publishers. The next section is the problem statement. In your proposal, the most important section is the problem statement. Describe your problem statement in a clear and concise manner. It should indicate what kind of problem you are going to solve. Problem statement should be based on genuine research gap found in literature. Based on the problem statement, we have to write research objectives. Research objectives summarize the key objectives of the research based on your problem statement. It should be mapped with the problem statement. Next is the research methodology. Research methodology is also the main part of the proposal. It describes the methodology to be used in the proposed research and why it is appropriate to a research objective. The next section is research contributions. It describes the detailed contribution which the proposed research will make to the research field and the new knowledge it is expected to generate. And the actual objective of doing any research is that the author should have their own contribution. So without genuine contribution, the research would not have any impact. The next section is references. Your references should provide the reader with a good sense of your grasp on literature, and how you contribute to it. The references the references should be recent one and belongs to reputed journals or conferences. And lastly, we have to provide a such work plan. Lastly, we have to provide a search work plan. It presents the search work plan, outline the main research tasks and timing, include a Gantt chart. In this video, we have discussed contents of an effective research proposal. The contents of an effective search proposal are the title, abstract as summary, introduction, literature review, problem statement, research objectives, research methodology, research contribution, references, and work plan. I hope this video will help MS and PhD students who want to start their search. So while drafting your search proposal, you have to prepare your proposal according to these sections. Thank you very much for watching this video.